So this is a portfolio of a student, not a company. This is portfolio of a student actually who has done the master study with us in the project management. You can see that elevated view, elevation view, 3D perspective view, section view, or staircases, then schedules. Then you will see the plumbing details, rendered views are there. Then you will see the other projects which are related to architectural, works. Elevation 3D views are there. Then there are the sections. Okay, then there are plumbing details, electrical details. Okay, there are rendering views and all. Actually, this is for the project management and BIM technology. This is the interior work. Actually, if you want to start a business, if somebody in later on, actually, you can, deal with the interior works also. Lighting, solar panels, so solar things. Actually, solar means what? This is basically the solar analysis to have the work. So let's say, for example, over here, only this is a building and this is the sun. This is the sun path. 1 minute, I'll just take my pen. This is the sun path actually, in which you will see this, till what date, what time things are there, and whatever the openings that you are giving, it is there in the right direction or not. So that is the solar analysis actually. So such kind of analysis also you will be training under this. Kobe sheet is there, BOQ bill of quantities, MSP, which is Microsoft project actually. So all these things it's covered, MSP Primavera. Then there are so many features which are related to the Power BI reports. There are so many project management techniques like waterfall technique or Prince 2 techniques and all actually. So many techniques we are covering in this. Okay. Along with that, the structural details, plumbing details, and many projects will be covering in this. Okay. So this is what we call it as the timeliner. Timeliner means at this is the project phase at this stage. This is the project phase at this stage. This is another project phase at this phase. So what is the costing required? What are the cost breakups and all actually for any particular project? So these sort of things we cover up in this areas. Okay. So this is what we call it as the timeliner. Okay. Then lighting analysis, solar analysis, and all actually. You will see that BOQ related things. Okay. So all the this is waterfall technique, actual baseline creation and all. So all these things, if you really want to learn, because what happens is a project management, no, it is, let's say 500, 800 crore rupees projects or 1000 crore rupees projects. So these are comparatively quite bigger projects. So let's say if you are working with a bigger project, I'll just show you the bigger project. Like this one is basically almost like 4 to 500 crore rupees project actually. This is the Reliance Mall in Mangalore. Understood. So how the basement plan, floor plan 1, 2, 3 are there. Then you will see that this is the ground floor plan and all actually. Then you will see the next one. There are escalators are there. Then you will see that this is the Audi 1, 2, 3. These are the theaters basically, and there is a escalator here. There is a bridge here. So a lot of structural challenges, architectural, plumbing, electrical challenges are there. So as a project manager, as a BIM technology, how do you take care of this? Okay, there are marketing criteria, like for example, as a BIM technologist, you want this to go for sale, right? So how do you give the marketing views for the people who are going to hire it inside the mall and all? So as a project manager, you are going to help the entire ecosystem basically, right? So how the theme arrangements and other all are there. That this is a facade detail, exterior facade detail, structural details will be there, section views and all actually. So you'll see all these things and MAP details, mechanical, electrical, plumbing, firefighting, IT, facade, all these details would be there. Along with that, you will see that the 2D, 3D drawings and details would be there over here. You will see the fire details. You will see the BOQ, bill of quantities. How are you going to calculate and all actually over here, right? So the model which I just now I shown you, this will be further elaboratively given it as a 45D timeliner. Okay, what is the time model actually over here? What is the cost of the building at this particular phase? Okay, there are thousands of buildings are there in India. After a certain project is getting over, there is no money left out, right? Have you seen that such kind of projects? Please chat in the box, chat box. I have seen such kind of projects. You have finished the project till fourth floor, fifth floor. Now there is no money. Now it is becoming like a bunkyard, right? So we as a project manager, we need to help the client to make sure that this much money is required at this stage of the building. Please make that money ready, otherwise the RERA will not give you the plan sanction. I mean, it will not be approving your project, right? So all these things are really important. Okay, and that is really needed. Site engineer will not tell all these things to the developer or builder, but project manager can help you. Also, there is a clash detection. Now, this is a RCC slab. The beam is there, and through which there is a certain plumbing, ducting, and all is going on. So many clashes. How do you resolve those clashes? How to make the tenders? How to make the contracts? This is GMLR project actually in Mumbai. Okay, how to this is the infrastructure project actually. So we take the infrastructure projects also. The SWOT analysis, strength, weaknesses, opportunities, threats. How do you do that? Then you will see that these are the toll place actually. How much should be the toll for per kilometer, and based on that, what are the calculations are there? Okay, then in such kind of projects, you will see that there is a piles, then there is a pile cap, then you will see that there is a pier. Okay, then you will see the decking system and all. So entire BOQ, bill of quantities, you will be generating through this. All right, so very extensively we are taking all these things, and this entire one project itself is like 1,800 crore rupees project. Okay, so you'll never called as a fresher guy after doing such kind of project, because you know the transportation system, you know the pier system, bridges and all actually, and you will be at a completely different level. All right. So inflation rate, the calculation. Just imagine the calculation is going in such a way that this is a layout, this is inflation, how the inflation rate is going 4.9 to 4.05 percentage. So based on that, how much should be the earning basically from this particular project to the contractor who is going to design this. Okay, so you'll go to the very closer to the investors actually, that what are the norms that you are taking care. So what are the bill of quantities, how the calculations would be there. See, in this particular project, 1 day delay is 1 crore rupees gone. So imagine that how much would be the timeline actually, right? So somehow, let's say metro projects, all over India, whatever the metro projects is going on, it is just going on only. It's a people's money, right? So nobody's bothering, unfortunately, right? So we need to make sure that from all the sides, it has to be taken care by somebody, right? So a lot of backlog is there in many areas, unfortunately, right? So cash flow analysis and all actually, how do you do that? Facility management, how do you do that? Okay, then this is another project in Mysuru. How the 3D view will be there, then you will see the clubhouse and all other details. This is a clubhouse, this is the building. This is the project actually in Mysuru. Right, so amenities, what are the amenities are there, what are the details are there, what are the floor details are there, then what are the electrical details, what the doors windows details, 3D views details, rendering images details, details for the clubhouses and all. Okay, all interior details for individual flat sale and all actually. Then BOQ, bill of quantities, how it will be. Okay, this is another project which is Sky Launch project in Mulund. Okay, so many projects are there. We will help you to, this is a high-rise building, 40-story building actually. All right, so this is a project management BIM technology. Okay, so if you guys are interested, please let me know. See, when I was there in the college and coming out of the college, believe me, none of these things were taught to me. And with the sheer hard work, almost like for 20 years, actually, whatever the experience that we are having, we'll just deliver it to you within just a very small period of 1 or 2 years down the line. So it's a very big, massive difference that it will make to your life. And believe me, recently I gave to know that US visas would be available for Indian people actually. So get to know all these things. Very different kind of life you will be having next in a couple of 2, 3 years down the line, right? So a lot of good things are going to come. Trust me. All right.